All right, Miss Alice, guess what we're gonna do?
What?
We're gonna do a rainbow heart.
Oh.
Can you take your glasses and lift them up for me, please? Well, thank you very much. Do you like purple?
Yeah.
Do you like pink?
Yeah.
Do you like blue?
Yeah.
So is this a good color for you?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness, let's do this. And we're gonna use the 1-inch flat brush, and I just took this several times and loaded it up back and forth. Then we're gonna start right here on Miss Alice's forehead, and we're gonna bring it down and turn the brush a little bit to make it thinner around the corner of her eye. Just like that. Do you like pink or red? Which one of these two should we use?
Pink.
Okay. And now I'm gonna make a pretty little heart on your cheek right here, okay? Ta-da, ta-da. We're gonna just do the outline first and then fill it in. Okay. Ooh. Do you like glitter, Miss Alice?
Yeah.
Okay, close your eyes. I'm gonna squirt some on the heart and all the way up. You can open your eyes now. Wow, good job. Thank you. I'm gonna outline your heart. I'm using a number 2 round. And we'll just take this and make a cute little curly on the end, okay? For your pretty little rainbow and heart, which is where unicorns like to play, under rainbows, right?
Yeah.
We're gonna make some cute little stars. So we're gonna make some little twinkle stars right here. Doop, doop, doop. We're gonna fill that in. And I'm gonna give you some pretty little teardrops to bring out your eyes. And some little detail dots. Doop, doop. Ooh, you look so pretty. Do you want glitter lips?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. We're gonna do glitter lips and then we'll be all done. Every little girl loves glitter lips. So we'll go ahead and just go bottom. And a little bit on the top. And close your lips like this. Look right here. Ooh, ready? Can you see? Pretty, huh? Do you like it? Do you want to put your glasses back on
Yeah.
so you can see better? Okay. Look again. Ooh, pretty girl. Can you wave bye-bye? Thank you.